அண்ணா எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Studying for what you like is really important. Passion is not born, passion is developed.
The moment the students came in, they wanted to learn. That brought us so much satisfaction to us.
So how many of you have actually used Assistant or any kind of UI? So UI, as you can see now, it's actually not just about building things on the screen. It's coming from anthropology, computer science, psychology, and all of those areas.
UI designing, what are the steps, what are the patterns we need to follow. Teaching about machine learning, like it's like a Kickstarter for us.
Everyone should have machine learning skills.
See, design thinking is actually a 5-step process like empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. In life, design thinking would definitely help.
Then voice-based search is going to be the next huge thing, and the developers can explore that opportunity.
Because of this experience, I have come to know that it is very easy. With a bit of Java and some UI development, you can build some good apps.
Go around, see the community launch, meet new people, make new friends.
The power of networking, how we communicate with others. This is one of the greatest things which I have learned here at Mobile Developer Fest.
If you are to innovate in the mobile development space, now's the time. MDF really brings that to light.
We can move to a different planet. That's where technology is moving. And the way to do that is up to you.